Upgrade your speakers. Adapters enable you to upgrade your vehicle-specific factory speakers with aftermarket speaker into the factory locations. Speaker compatibility. Fits most 6.5 or 6.75 aftermarket speakers with a maximum top mount diameter of 5 11/16, 145 mm. See measurements image to verify that your speakers will fit in these adapters. Vehicle compatibility. 1999 to 2010 BMW 3 Series vehicles. Check fit guide in the images for full vehicle applications. Quality materials. High-grade ABS materials, precision design for a gapless fit between the speaker and the adapter, providing a long-lasting, secure fit. Buy with confidence. Backed by Scosche's lifetime tech support and limited lifetime warranty. The Scosche SAW 652 speaker adapters are the perfect solution for upgrading the factory front door 6.5 speakers to most 6.5, or 6.75 aftermarket speakers with up to a 5 11/16 top mount diameter into the factory speaker locations of a 1999 to 2010 BMW 3 Series vehicles. Made from high-grade ABS materials to ensure durability and longevity, and engineered for a precise fit for your new speaker install. We are so confident in the quality that we back the speaker adapters up with Scosche's lifetime tech support and our limited lifetime warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. Paired with Kicker 6.5 C-Series for my E46 sedan, facelift. Fit was precise. Make sure you have extra door clips. You will likely break some upon door removal. Have the proper ones for the car. Even if you take the speakers to be installed somewhere, bring your own clips.